This video will show you how to fix the WebView2 Runtime installation failed error. If WebView2 cannot install, apps like Microsoft Teams, Clipchamp, or other Windows programs may not work properly. This error usually happens when Windows has missing updates, corrupted files, or conflicting settings. In this video, I will show every method to solve this problem step by step. We will check for Windows updates, repair system files, clear previous WebView2 installations, and make sure the installer runs with the right permissions. I will also show a method to force a clean installation so WebView2 works perfectly. By the end of this video, you'll be able to install WebView2 Runtime without errors, and your apps will run smoothly. Stay with me, because these fixes are simple and will work for anyone facing this installation problem.